Hey, this is Peter Gertie, and if you pay monthly subscriptions for software, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to demonstrate to you DashNex business platform that will allow you to eliminate any kind of monthly subscriptions for software. So whether you are paying $100 or $3,000 or $5,000 per month to run your business, you can cancel them all today. Therefore, please make sure you watch this entire video. Now, if you think about what's possible with one platform and what you will be able to do, obviously the capabilities are vast, and you can see all the details on the page, including the link to the white paper, which gives all the explanation why we created this platform, how this platform works, and what you will be able to get out of it. On top of that, you can also access the documentation portal where you can see absolutely everything and check absolutely everything. But what I want to do right now is just give you a glimpse of the possibilities and kind of the overall concept, how this works and how you can eliminate subscriptions today if you take action on this page. So what you are looking at right now is inside of my brand new business that I just created inside of the business platform, right? So you can see DashNex LM. This is obviously the demo business that I just created, but you can create your own right now today. And once you are inside, you can see all the details here. You can see the business architecture, which you will find on the page where you watch this video as well, and everything else, all the details, right? But what I want to do right now is just show you how you can launch your entire business right now. So as you can see, we are right here on the launch page, and I'm going to just type in the name for my business. As you can see, the subdomain is available. I'm going to accept the terms which is required in order to launch the business, and I'm just going to launch my web application. And so what's going to happen right now, it's going to deploy a brand new web application in an isolated environment with your own database, with your own everything, in order for you to run your business with all the tools you possibly need in today's age to properly power your business and to have an advantage over everybody else. Now, this takes about 5 minutes, so I'm going to pause the video right here, and I'll come back when the deployment is finished so you can see exactly what you will see after that time. And now, as you can see, we are almost 70% in the deployment. So this is going to happen in a moment. Let's just keep waiting. I just want to make sure that you see live how this is happening, which is why I kind of chimed in the middle. Let's wait for a few more minutes and it's going to be done. And now, as you can see, we are 99% in. And congratulations, the business has been deployed. Your web application has been successfully deployed on DashNex Cloud. Your app is live. Here is the link. Everything is ready. Now, I'm going to show you everything step by step. So the first thing we want to do, we want to open the app right here. And we want to sign in, right? So as you can see, we need to sign in. Let's just sign in real quick. And now we are inside of the app. Now, I'll show you the app in a moment, but let's just go to the dashboard and you'll see here all the details. Let me just confirm this. And this is how the dashboard will look like. So you have your web application, you have your credits, you have your custom domain settings, and you have your money processor and also AI agent. And here you basically have all the settings that you might need in order to run your business. So first, you can go and set up a custom domain so you have a full white label experience. There is never mentioned DashNex anywhere, so you can run it properly and you can set it up very easily, the domain. You can then, of course, also set up a money processing. Again, here we need to agree to terms, but once you are there, you can start to process payments immediately. You literally can go and set up DashNex Pay system immediately and start to run your payments right away. You have your transactions, you have your balances. This is literally like your own Stripe account out of the box right here, and you can integrate your own Stripe account if you want to. but also we provide DashNex Pay system, which is automatic, and you can start processing payments in minutes. And then, of course, you have your app management, where you can always install additional applications. So for example, I can install the UltraX agent, which is not installed right by default, and then I can update the app, redeploy the app, and it's going to be showing up right there. InstaChat agent is actually what will take care of the customer service. If you look at the platform, so you can see AI customer support is one of the modules that we provide that will be automatically there. Now, let's just go inside of the application. I'm not going to run the deployment again to show you how that InstaChat looks like. But what I'm going to show you immediately is what is available right away. So you have products, you have offers, you have contacts, you have emails, and you have the portal management with menu management and media. And what this essentially is, it's the entire stack that you normally need in order to run digital business. It doesn't matter whether you are running a software business, coaching business, any kind of service business, or even a local business. You need a way to manage your customers, right? And you have the contacts, which is the contacts module, which is the customer management system that you get right away, right? You also need a way for sending emails, right? So you need to be able to send transaction emails, and you need to be able to send broadcast emails. Again, those are available out of the gate. Next one, you need to be able to create offers. So you need to be able to set up an offer with different pricing, with different items in the offer. So you might be selling one product or another product, or combined bundles. You need to be able to do those things. And then, of course, you need to provide user experience. So what people will see when they will log into your web application. And of course, you can create internal or external pages however you want. You can provide content however you want. Do anything you want. And on top of that, you have the full developer access. And also what's going to be available is the AI agent, which is essentially like a wipe coder that can update your platform in any way you want. So you say, hey, I want to create a sales page. It's going to do that for you. You want to get some information about your data. It can do it for you. So whatever you need, it will be able to do it for you. Now, as I said, this is a comprehensive system. Imagine that every single of these modules, right? So let's just go here. Every single of these modules, like offers, products, affiliates, contacts, InstaChat, portal, is like a separate businesses. So you can think about each of these like a separate software as service providers for which you are paying subscriptions today to run your business. But now these are all going to be available for you if you take action on this page. And then you'll be just paying for what you actually use, which is uncomparable to the monthly subscriptions that majority of the SaaS companies are charging you for the services that are available right here without that payment. So what I want you to do is really just check all the information on the page where you watch this video. I showed you how the deployment works. I showed you details inside. Obviously, there are lots of details. And as I mentioned before, you can read the white paper. We have the link below. You can also check the documentation portal where you can see how everything is configured. So you can really understand that this is a comprehensive system that is simplified for you to run your entire digital or local even business. So anything you need, website you can create, store you can create, offers you can create, manage customers you can do, send emails, broadcast emails, transaction emails you can do, design custom experiences for your customers when they log in, you can absolutely do that, generate invoices, you can do that, manage subscriptions, you can do that, process payments, you can do that as well. As you can see, there's literally nothing left out, and this is because we are the first customer of the platform. We build this for ourselves because we hate to pay subscriptions in thousands of dollars for support, for CRMs, for different offers, for different tools that frankly should be available on a per use basis and shouldn't be charging subscriptions in the first place. So check all the information below this video and take action immediately. Create an account, a verified business account. You have the option to get the lifetime license to that, because only verified members can actually launch a business. And you can see all the details also why we do that in the frequently asked questions box below on this page. So totally transparent. Everything is as you see right here. So check all the information, sign up, and you can have your business launch just like I showed you in minutes from now. And then you can simply cancel your monthly subscriptions, transition within the next couple of weeks. If you have an existing kind of subscriptions, transition them to DashNex business platform. Or if you are creating a new business, then it's perfect. You can get started fresh with no monthly subscriptions whatsoever. So again, check all the information below and create your business account immediately. This is Pierre Gertie. I'm the founder of DashNex. I'll see you inside.